we just saw are beautiful coronation dresses, or it's actually dresses that the candidates for the Yamboree Queen have worn over the years. These are just a few. They're all the way around the square. Here's a lot of vendors set up out here. Lots of them. All kinds of things are selling. Look at some. The dresses were beautiful, weren't they? My gosh, can you imagine sewing all those sequins and rhinestones? This is the fall festival I was telling y'all about. It. I think it's taken the place of the East Texas Yamboree that they have every year at this time. They didn't have a whole lot of time to put this together, but it looks like to me they did a pretty good job of it. They've got vendors all around. With jellies and jams, canning things, candles, soaps. All kinds of pretty things down in here, and the stores are open too. They closed off the downtown area, so I had to park a couple of blocks away. It wasn't so bad. There wasn't supposed to be cars in here. I don't know how that guy got in here. That's interesting. Here's some more dresses, y'all. The pictures of the girls who wore them. This is a big deal every year. Queen Yam. Look at this one. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Golly. Here's the little girls that are in this. Look at all that, y'all. Look at that skirt. Oh, don't you know? Oh, look at her. There she is. She's so proud. Anyway, so they've got all their hamburger places, sausage on a stick, Mexican corn dogs, funnel cakes, lemonade, you name it. They've got it. After a while, the bandstand will be set up. Good morning. This is beautiful.
Awesome.
Sweet, friendly people down here. I love this town. Oh, I love it. French fries, ribbon fries, corn dogs, popcorn, cotton candy. Y'all remember getting cotton candy at the fair? Candy apples. I can't eat those anymore. That's for sure. So they've got their bandstand set up here. After a while, there's going to be a bunch of bands down here and a bunch of dancers. A whole bunch of dancers down here. And I would like to see some of the bands. I think I'll show y'all some bands. Oh, they've got rides all the way around the square. Y'all remember when I brought you down here and showed you the courthouse? Look at this, y'all. Jalapenos, chicken, all wrapped up in bacon, it says. Boy, everything's better with bacon on it, isn't it? Look at the guy with this little dog. Little dog riding in this wheelchair. Isn't that cute? I don't know what that is. Looks like jellies or jams or some kind of stuff. I'm not sure. I'm going to shut this off. And when the band starts going, I hope to give y'all a glimpse of that.
Slumber, when you saw the smoke, you heard the thunder,
So I left this morning about 11 o'clock or so and went up to the festival. It's called the Fall Y'all Festival. It's one they put together to kind of to make up for the fact that we're not having the East Texas Yamboree this year. But I showed you the beautiful dresses and all that are in the windows of the stores. They borrowed them from the ladies that have worn them over the years and put them on mannequins and put them on display along with their pictures, and some of them were absolutely gorgeous. I enjoyed seeing that. And then I bought a thing of nachos and a sweet tea, and I sat on one of their benches on the courthouse lawn and ate my nachos and drank my tea and watched a little bit of a country singer. And later on, they were going to have more bands and singers, and they were going to have dancers and cheerleaders and things like that. But I didn't stay for that. It was a little bit on the chilly side for me, and it was a little on the loud side too. So I decided not to stay for any more of it. But I saw enough and I enjoyed it. I really liked going to see that. I absolutely love that little town. They've always got something going on. And there were a lot of folks in masks. I wore mine too, but I noticed a lot of people had them on, and that's great. Everybody's trying to stay safe and still have a good time at the same time. So I hope y'all enjoyed that little trip to Gilmer, Texas, to the Fall Y'all Festival. Maybe next year they'll have the Yamboree, and it's much, much larger, a lot more things to see. And if so, and God willing, I'll take you along with me. So I hope y'all enjoyed that. Thanks for coming with me. I'm so glad you did. I will see you soon. As always, I hope God is good to you. Bye-bye.